Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Keema Parantha. Keema Parantha is a bread stuffed with goat mince. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for keema stuffing 300 gram minced goat meat, 2-inch chopped ginger, 3 chopped green chilies, 1 chopped onion, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 2 teaspoon garam masala, 2 tablespoon oil and a bunch of chopped fresh coriander leaves. For making the dough, we need 2 cup wheat or wholemeal flour, 2 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 2 teaspoon carom seeds and 2 tablespoon ghee. Now for the recipe, first for stuffing, add oil in a wok and turn the flame on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds. Once the seeds start to splutter, add onions, ginger and green chilies. Mix everything together. Once the onions are soft, add minced goat and mix on high flame. Cook for 5 minutes on high heat. Turn the flame to medium and add salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, garam masala and chaat masala. Mix everything together and cover and cook for 15 minutes on low heat. Transfer it to a bowl and add fresh coriander on top and mix. Keep the filling aside and let it cool completely. Next, for the dough, in a bowl add flour, melted ghee, carom seeds and salt. Add a little water and knead the dough. Once the dough is kneaded, cover it with a damp cloth and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Next, for the paranthas, divide this dough into 3 parts and make ball shape out of these. Take a dough ball and press it in the center to make a bowl. The bowl should be thick in the middle and thin at the edges. Next, add mince filling and encase everything by pulling the edges of the dough together. Next, dust some dry flour on the surface. Now with the help of a rolling pin, roll the filled dough. Apply some ghee on a hot pan and transfer the dough on it. Apply some ghee on the top and flip. Once cooked from both sides, transfer it to a plate. Your keema parantha is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, on a plate add sliced onions, pickle, green chilies and a bowl of yogurt. Next, place the prepared keema parantha. Add a cube of butter on top of the parantha. Garnish the yogurt and onions with coriander. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, add small bowls of yogurt, pickle and butter on a platter. Place the prepared paratha on the other side of the platter with green chilies on top. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, add a glass filled with yogurt on a plate. Next, add small bites of the paratha attached to the toothpicks. Add some chopped onions, green chilies and pickle. Add butter on top of the paratha bites and coriander on top of the onions. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.